what's good? What it do? Trey coming back with a new video. This was kind of an impromptu video, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Some of the homies pulled up. We're finna go get something to eat. Got my boy Benji in the Miata. And then I got my boy Michael in front. He's leading us with his SE300. So we're finna go get something to eat. Hope you like these style of vlogs and stuff, man. You know, they're different and whatnot. Just kind of ride-alongs for the most part. I didn't bring none of my camera equipment, so I'm filming this off the iPhone right now. But that just goes to show wherever I go, I got something to record. So, hey, stay tuned. I don't know. She said something about she'll spit on something. Spit on his dick.
Oh, you meant that. Oh, I heard her, but I didn't give a fuck. My soft top doesn't want to lock. So,
oh my god.
Charger on.
Huh?
So must have 2% now.
You didn't put it on the charger?
I forgot to. He took my whole charger. Damn.
That sounds
Built, not bought. I like it. I like it.
Like what?
I built, not bought. I like it.
Yeah, fucking. How crazy is that fucking turbo flutter sound?
Fucking insane.
Why is he down shifting next to me? Oh.
Yeah,
Let's not do this.
that fucking turbo flutter is nothing to fuck around with. Yes, the number one came off again. See? Got that fucking pressure in that bitch. But whatever. There's my baby. I love it. Other than the fucking oil leak.
God damn, boy. Got to do better.
That sucks a lot.
It looks cool as fuck coming out. But it's not cool to do that. But it looks cool as fuck.
No. That's crazy. On theory, dilly balls.
Ben, my YouTube money ain't come in, bro. You trying to buy me an orange fudge brownie? Bro, my YouTube money ain't come in yet, bro. You trying to buy me an orange fudge brownie?
Crazy. They're recording the fucking cow, bro.
Oh God. Oh God. I got you, bro. Content. I should have got that homeless lady.
What was she saying?
Dude, I don't know. She was yelling. I think she was yelling because the cars were loud, and then next thing you know, all I heard was, "I'll spit on you" or some shit. I was like, "Whoa, what the fuck? Why are you spitting on us? What did we do? My car's quiet."
Yeah, my car's quiet. Let me
Bruh, what is a fluffer nutter? What the fuck?
That's all about to get it. Let me go ahead and do a mini. I'm about to go somewhere with my girl after this, so I'm not going to eat a lot. Plus, I ain't missing no meals. Let me go ahead and get a drink for you. You stop, bro. You stop.
My bad, bro. My bad.
This shit look bold as
Open it up. Open it up. Boiled bacon ass nigga.
Hey, we got the same thing. You didn't pay for mine? Cheap bastard. This shit was $1 less than a medium.
Yeah.
All y'all got?
Yeah, look at it.
Yeah, I'm about to go somewhere.
I literally ate chicken nuggets before y'all pulled up.
I'm the only fat fuck here.
Damn, bro. Look at that. Look at that Q50. Ooh.
Look at the Miata. Fuck the Q50.
You know what's funny? Haley said that she was gonna come outside to look at your Miata, and then she never came.
Sounds like my Haley.
Motherfucker went and put clothes on and everything. I don't know if she was expecting me to come back inside to get her and shit. No. Why? Hell yeah, thank you, ma'am. Oh yeah, look at this.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
That's $1 more, my nigga. The fuck? This shit was
Sir.
If I do it too much, I'm just gonna blow my clamp off. I don't want to talk about that again.
Sir. That's uncalled for.
You hear a turbo flutter? Don't do it. Turn my fan on, nigga. I want to blow this bitch up.
Sir. That's uncalled for.
Listen.
Bro! Damn, cuz.
I wish I got roller that shit, bro. That shit sounds crazy. But, gotta go home. My girl probably there. Probably like, where the fuck? Where you at?
Adios, monkeys. Appreciate the Dairy Queen.
Yeah.
I'll let you know about the job and the job shit. I kind of like my job. Fuck you. My job ain't do shit to you. Just another day in paradise. Oh my fucking Lord. Ow! Alright, update. We got done eating. I'm on the way to the crib. I gotta drop Haley off her Blizzard. I know that the camera probably ain't picking it up because it's sunny as hell, but gotta drop Haley off her Blizzard and whatnot. She got that pumpkin pie Blizzard. She wanted to try it, so I went ahead and got it for her. I gotta go to my grandparents' house now, so I guess I'll continue the vlog there. Since I do have the phone, it's not like I can really like be recording and driving at the same time. So I will pick it up when I can pick it up, but stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. If you are enjoying the video so far and you want to see me make more of these little videos where I just hang out with my friends, just go around do shit, let me know. But I'll pick it up in a minute. Alright, so my grandma's tire was low. My grandparents are older, so you know, they don't know the physics of just put an air pump on there and stuff, so I came and did it for them. This vlog is kind of just like another ride along, just hang out. I think I like doing the hangout vlogs, not gonna lie, where we just drive and go do stuff and do my daily activities and pretty much start filming day in the life pretty much. But I just had to check out her car. Her car should be good with 35 PSI. Let's go ahead and shut that off. It shouldn't throw any more codes and stuff, because that's what they were saying. There's 2 lights on in her car for the tire and whatnot, so the tire pressure sensors were throwing, you know, the little lights and shit. So hopefully that took care of it. Let's see. See in here, start this up. Yep, codes are gone. Easy fix. Easy fix. But yeah, I guess my job here is done. Ew, there's a stink bug. What the fuck? Get your ass on somewhere, bro. Ew. Yeah, fuck out of here, boy. Yeah, I did that. Man, every day I just sit back and just think how grateful I am to be driving this bitch. I'm letting her cool down. Kind of gave her some hell on the highway today, so letting her cool down for a little bit. But I appreciate everybody for stopping by, checking out the video today. I think we're gonna conclude the video here. Sorry I didn't get a whole lot of footage and content for you guys. Just probably gonna be like a short little video and stuff, but man, any chance I get to record, I'm just gonna start recording, man. You know, we actually putting forth the effort this time, man. We're actually putting forth the effort. But appreciate everybody for stopping by. Appreciate everybody for watching the video. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe on the video, and I will see you next time. Yeah, risk.